In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gemini from opening when pressing side button Samsung. We'll walk through the exact place in your settings where this behavior is controlled, and I'll show you how to confirm what your side key is currently set to launch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to manage it. Start by opening the Google app on your Samsung phone. This is the standard Google app you use for search and discover. If you don't see the right options later, make sure the app is updated from the Play Store and that you're signed in. In the top right corner of the Google app, tap your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, go into Settings. This takes you to a place where you can customize how Google services behave on your device. Next, tap Google Assistant. You're now in the Assistant Settings hub, which controls how voice and digital assistant features work. Look for the option labeled Digital Assistant. This is the key area. It defines which assistant service your phone treats as the default for actions like long pressing the side key. Tap Digital Assistant, then choose Gemini. Selecting Gemini here sets it as your default digital assistant provider. If Gemini is already selected, you'll see it indicated on this screen. I'm showing you this path because it's the exact place that determines what appears when you press and hold the side key. Now that Gemini is selected, press and hold your power button, also called the side key, on your Samsung phone. Gemini will appear. This confirms that the long press action on your side key is currently routed to Gemini, and it's a quick way to verify the behavior you're trying to change. If your goal is to stop Gemini from opening with that button press, remember this spot. The digital assistant screen inside the Google app is where you control which assistant gets launched. From here, you can choose a different assistant or manage your default so the side key won't bring up Gemini. Depending on your device and software version, you may also find a separate side key setting in your phone's system settings that adjusts what a long press does. Names and placements can vary slightly by model and Android version. To recap, open the Google app, tap your profile, go to Settings, then Google Assistant, then Digital Assistant, and select Gemini to confirm what's currently set. Press and hold the side key to see it in action. With this, you know exactly where to manage what opens when you press and hold that button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your side key behavior.